Hi guys, this is Dr. Jin. So we have somebody with me who is going to be doing an anti-aging procedure. I want you guys to see how easy and quick it is. It is not something that takes too long, and it is not unbearably painful. However, it can be a little painful because these are nothing but needles. Again, this is nothing but medication. So we're going to be doing a little bit of Botox and a little bit of filler. And the filler is going to be a hyaluronic acid. Again, the human body is nothing but a vehicle that carries your soul. So it's like a vehicle, and it requires routine maintenance and upkeep just like any other vehicle. So if you're somebody who's like going around meeting people and you're going at like 200 miles an hour everywhere in life, then maybe every now and then you need a little denting and painting. And as you get older, the fabric of your face starts to erode, and that's where we need a little bit of smoothing out with Botox. Botox is a great medication for that. And then also we do a little bit of tightening. So today, if I do her Botox and fillers, she's gonna probably in a month or so be ready to do tightening. Ready?
Yep. Which are we doing first?
So I'm gonna start you with some Tox, which is Botox for her. And she's gonna be getting roughly around 40 units, in my opinion, around her face. And then she's gonna do, so Botox is a muscle relaxer. So it just relaxes the area. And then, you know, the trick is that you want to retain your features and all your movement, but erase the wrinkles. Or at least make them less obvious as you age. Raise your eyebrows. Raise your eyebrows. Scrunch your nose. Okay. So I'm done with the Botox, and now I'm going to be doing a little filler. So that was it, and you didn't hear her scream. I'm going to show, she's not screaming. I already injected her, so she's numbed and everything. And now we are doing all right, guys, we're going, and I'm going to be back with the next line. Bye.